Hey, my beloved viewers, let's introduce Semicolon IT Solutions, your trusted home for IT training. We provide quality IT training to make you ready towards a meaningful IT career. Semicolon IT Solutions has been owned to certification of ISO 9001-2015 and of course certificate of membership from BASIS. Team Semicolon, this is it. This is the team that belongs to Semicolon IT. We are awarded ISO 9001-2015 quality certification for custom software development, web design and development, IT consulting and training. Areas of expertise: web development, graphic design, web-based software and digital marketing. We have also search engine optimization or SEO. We are experts in one-page technical, off-page and link outreach SEO, search engine optimization. We also provide lead generation, data mining and website and blog content creation. Our graphic design team also excels at motion graphics and can handle most graphical challenges. Our training facility, what do we offer? We have a full-fledged training facility having seats for 22 with high-speed internet as well as dedicated high-configuration computers. We provide multimedia support and our premises has been covered with central and conditioning system. What we provide: professional attire, weekly 3 days class, cordial trainers, assignments and completion of project submissions, great environment, evaluation after each course, certification of completion, job opportunity for the toppers. Our features: we believe that the brain is better than bullets and brute force. We offer comprehensive IT training. We have 9 highly qualified trainers. We teach a sensible IT career for a better future. Our training programs are supported by features such as introduction to modern trends, professionalism, full mastering of concepts, developing new and valuable skills, training with live projects, application of best practices, expert tips from the experts, expansion of career options. Our courses, let's introduce our courses now. Computer Office application, that is the very basic. Advanced Excel course. Web design and development. Web application development with PHP. Full stack web development with Laravel and Vue.js. Modern JavaScript. The complete React.js course, the complete Node.js course, full stack web development with Node.js and React.js, SQL database programming, MongoDB NoSQL database programming, C, C++ data structure algorithm basics, skill development and business English. Our freelancing courses are freelancing with digital marketing, freelancing with professional graphic design, freelancing with WordPress web design, freelancing with SQL database programming, Shopify freelancing, lead and email marketing, dropshipping, local SEO. What is our mission? We try to contribute to the socio-economic development of Bangladesh through developing our educated people to IT professionals with our professional IT courses. Our slogan: time to be smart, train to reign. We have a group of young and accomplished trainers for such purpose who are experienced, friendly and expert, and at the same time they stick to our slogan and lead our local young people to a bright future so as to walk on the golden path to fulfill the digital Bangladesh movement. Semicolon IT Solutions will lead you to a certain path of a golden IT career. Be with us. We'll show you the way.